Okay students, now we are going to learn some problems from exercise 1.5. This is the textbook problems. I'm going to explain. See this exercise for 1.5. First Roman problem. Classify the following as rational or irrational numbers. He want to give some problems. He want to check whether our rational numbers and irrational numbers. We identify first. First question is. First one is 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. He is asking what type of number it is. Just we see, don't go to blind answers, just please you identify, please see what type of numbers are there, what type of combinations given. What is this? Rational. What is this? Irrational. The difference between rational and irrational, already explained. The difference between rational and irrational is again an irrational number. Then what is answer? What is your answer? An irrational number. Irrational number. Now second question. 3 plus 23, 3 plus root over 23 minus of root over 23. Root over 23. Again, once you check that, don't go, before I said don't give blind answers. Don't go for blindly. 3 plus 20 root 23. This is irrational. This is also irrational. Irrational minus irrational. The difference between two irrational numbers, before I said, may or may not be rational. Sometimes we are getting the rational parts, rational answers. Sometimes we are getting irrational answers. Let us see. Here some solution is possible. Some simplification is needed. Let us see this. 3 plus root 23. First you change the question like this. Write this first step as solution. 3 plus root of 23. This is minus root of 23. I think this is plus root 23. This minus root 23. Both cancel. Then what is answer? The answer is 3. And 3. What is your result? Result is 3. What type of number it is? It is rational. Rational. We are giving answers like this. One more question I want to explain. That is question number 3. Question number 3. 2 root 7. 2 into root 7 by 7 root 7. What type of answer it is? Just for this also simplification is needed. Root 7 cancel. 2 by 7 is the answer. Now what is 2 by 7? A number which is in the form of p by q. Then this is rational. This is about first Roman questions. I left 2 problems to you to solve. Okay, now second problem. Simplify each of the following expressions. Before I explain some identities, based on that we simplify. I give those problems also now. Simplify. Second questions. Simplify the following. Simplify the following questions. Question number A. This is also from exercise. 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Here 2 irrational numbers. It looks like a plus b into c plus d, or root a plus root b into root c plus root d. Before I said no, distributive method of multiplication. We can do like this. First 3 into this one, and then 3 into this one, and then this one into this one, and then this one into this one. We can do like this. First 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 6. Next again multiplication with 3. 3 into this one. 3 into root 2. 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2. Finished. Upper part finished. Now let us go for now. Root 3 into this one and root 3 into this one. That's it. And plus root 3 into this one. Root 3 into 2. Root 3 into 2. We are writing root 3 into 2 in the sense we are giving always this rational part before. Until 2 root 3. Don't write 3 root 2. Root 3 of 2. Don't write like this. Root 3 of 2. Don't write like this. Okay. Root 3 into 2 in the sense 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Finish it. This one to this one finish it. Okay, this only left. Plus root 3 into plus root 2. Plus into plus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Before I said root a into root b is equal to root ab. The root 3 2s are 6. Like this. If any like terms, like rational parts, we can add, or else leave like this. 6. This is root 6. Both are different. Rational, irrational. Leave it. This is root 2. This is root 3. We can't add. This is the answer. That's it. This is only answer. If any like irrational parts are there, we can add. Here this is 6. In case this is also 6. 6 we can add. We can't add. This is different. This is different. Rational, irrational. We leave like this. That's it. This is only answer. Okay. Please copy. Next. One more question. 3 root 3. Question number B. I'm explaining. 3 plus root 3. Second one. 3 minus root 3. 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. Before I explain the given formula, root A, root B, root A plus root B into root A minus root B, A plus root B into A minus root B. We can use that identity, or else we can do multiplication directly. It is look like A plus B, A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? No, I am writing this. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here what is A? 3. I am writing once. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is equal to, what is the answer? A square. What is A? 3 square minus, what is B? B is root 3. B is root 3 square. Now 3 square value 9 minus a square there, root there, cancel, 3 left, 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Or else I given direct formula. What is the formula? A plus root B into A minus root B is equal to A square minus B. Second formula. We can do like this also. If you want to use formula directly, or else do like this. Okay? This is the second one. Once again I checked it. A plus B into A minus B, you know formula, A square minus B square. Question is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. A plus B into A minus B. Look like. Then we can use formula A square. A means 3 only, no? A square minus B. B means root 3 there here in the form of that. Root 3 whole square. Square root cancel, 3 left. 9 minus 3 6. Very simple question. Next. One more question. One more question I want to give. Third question. Third question. The C question. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. In the before list, this is the last identity. Root A plus root B whole square. Root A plus root B whole square is equal to A plus B plus 2 of AB. We can use that identity directly, or else we can do. Let's look like A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square formula? A plus B whole square. Question is look like A plus B whole square, no? We can use that. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? I'm using what is A? In the place of A, root 5. In the place of B, root 2, right? It's very simple. Simply, easily we can get root 5 plus root 2 whole square is equal to A in the sense root 5 square plus B in the sense root 2 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. Let us go for simplification. Square root cancel, 5 left, plus square root cancel, 2 left, plus 2 into root A into root B in the sense root 10. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 10. Is there any simplified answer, or this is the final answer? This is only final answer. 7 plus root 2, 7 plus 2 root 10. Some students are thinking 7 plus 2 is 9, no? 9 root 10. Wrong answer. 7 is rational. Root 10 is irrational. Overall, we can't add, because this is irrational part is root 10. Here, irrational part not there. We can take root 1 also. Okay, even though if you take root 1 also, both irrational parts are different. If both the irrational parts are different, we can't add. Remember this point. Irrational parts are same, we can add. Irrational parts are different, can't do. That's it. This is the only answer. Okay, Nana? Please.